Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhayandar. Today I am going to explain chapter number 3, Linear Applications of Operational Amplifier Part 2. Learning outcomes are voltage to current converter, current to voltage converter, sample and hold circuit, logarithmic and anti-logarithmic amplifier, analog divider and multiplier. Voltage to current converter. So V2I converter is also called as a current series negative feedback amplifier because feedback voltage across the internal resistor applied to the inverting terminal depends on output current and is in series with the input differential voltage. So V2I converter with the floating load. So V2 voltage to current converter in which load resistor RL is floating. Vin is applied to the non-inverting input terminal and feedback voltage across R1 devices inverting input terminal. This circuit is also called as a current series negative feedback amplifier because the feedback voltage across R1 depends on the output current IO and is in series with the input difference voltage VID. Writing KVL for the input loop, VID is equal to VF and IB is equal to 0. VI is equal to RL into IO where IO is equal to VI upon RL. So from the figure, input voltage Vin is converted into output current and in other words, input voltage appears across R1 if RL is a precedent resistor. The output current IO is equal to Vin upon R1 will be precisely fixed. So the applications of V2I converter is low voltage AC and DC voltmeter, diode match finders and LED and signal diode testers. Voltage to current converter with the grounded load. This is other type of V2I converter in which one terminal of the load is connected to the ground and the load current is controlled by input voltage. VI is connected to the non-inverting input terminal. So hence from the diagram we can put the I1 plus I2 is equal to IL. By Ohm's law, Vin minus V1 upon R plus VO minus V1 upon R is equal to IL. Okay, so if you R gets cancelled and you obtain the Vin plus VO minus 2 Vin is equal to R into IL. Therefore we obtain V1 is equal to Vin plus VO minus RIL by 2. Now this is a non-inverting configuration of op-amp. So our gain is equal to RF upon R1, 1 plus RF upon R1. So by taking the RF R1 equals to R and therefore we obtain the output voltage VO is equal to 2 into Vin. So 2 gets cancelled and finally we obtain Vin plus VO minus RL. So Vin by R is equal to IN and hence the voltage is converted into current. This is a circuit diagram for current to voltage converter. So it is a current is a input to the non-inverting terminal and at the output side we get the output voltage VO. Okay, so let's see the sample and hold circuit. A sample and hold circuit sometimes represented as S by H. It is usually used with analog to digital converter to sample the input analog signal and hold the sampled signal. In the S by A sample and hold circuit, the analog signal is sampled for a short interval of time, usually in the range of 10 microsecond to 1 microsecond. After this sampled value is held until the arrival of next input signal to be sampled. The duration of holding the sample will be usually between the few milliseconds to few seconds. The following image shows a simple block diagram of typical sample and hold circuit. So here the MOSFET is used. So Vin is applied to drain of MOSFET and the VS is applied to the gate of MOSFET. During positive cycle, E MOSFET conducts and acts as a switch, so it allows charge to capacitor C. When the Vs is 0, E MOSFET turns off and acts as the open switch. Capacitor discharges through op-amp. So time period Ts of sample and hold control voltage Vs, during which voltage across capacitor is equal to the input voltage, is called as sample period. The time period Th of Vs, during which voltage across capacitor is constant, called as hold periods. Logarithmic amplifier or log amplifier, it is an electronic circuit which produces the output that is proportional to the logarithm of the applied input. So here the diode is a feedback element and output voltage VO is equal to minus eta upon Vt logarithm of Vi by Ra minus logarithm of Io, so that If is equal to Vi by. Anti-logarithmic amplifier or analog amplifier is an electronic circuit that produces an output that is proportional to the anti-logarithm of applied input. So inverting configuration of op-amp and input is applied to diode. RF is a feedback element and hence we obtain the VOT is equal to IR into R log inverse of or anti-log of minus R2 upon R1 plus R2 eta into V2 into V1. Analog divider is a device that produces an output voltage or current that is proportional to the division of two or more independent input voltages or current. So in addition to multiplying and dividing, multipliers can perform the squaring, square rooting and modulation functions. So here the two log amplifiers are used, subtractor is there and analog amplifier is there. By subtraction or subtracting the two logs of voltages, we obtain the division of voltages. Analog amplifier is a device that produces an output voltage or current that is proportional to the product of two or more independent input voltages or current. In addition to multiplying and dividing, multipliers can perform the squaring, square rooting and modulation functions. Thank you.